What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and I have a really exciting video for you because this video actually comes from one of my subscribers. Left an awesome comment on one of my videos, and she asked pretty much, Chopper Girls Air War, how much better is the footage of the 5 Orange versus the onboard DJI DVR footage? I like to see a head-to-head of that up against like a Hero 7 or 8, with and without a LUT color correction. I know all of these R3 are in totally different worlds and leagues, but that's what I'll be looking at as my 3 cameras. Well, plus a 360 camera in the mix. Is the Orange even relevant anymore, or just leap over it to put all your money into something better? So what I went ahead and did is I compared the Runcam 5 Orange to the Hero 7. I don't have a Hero 8. I also don't have a 360 camera, so I can't do that just yet, but I do have the DJI Air system, and also the Runcam 5 Orange and the Gopro. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at all 3 of these cameras along with the goggle DVR footage and see how they all compare. So let's take a look. So we have all the cameras here, and I was going to go into this video kind of tell you what I thought was better, but what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to more likely just compare them all, and you guys can leave a comment down below what you guys thought was better, because this is really up to all your guys' opinion. But just to get you little details, this was all shot at 1080p 60 frames per second. I figured that is the most common aspect ratio and frames per second that everybody shoots at when we fly our FPV drones. So that's what I'm going to provide you. And we can go ahead and take a look at the separate kind of the comparisons of each one. Now, GoPro and also the Runcam, you can change it to be 16:9 or 4:3. I had it in 16:9 and I wasn't really honestly thinking. But the DJI air unit and also the goggles looks is in 4:3 aspect ratio. So you have to deal with that if you are trying to stretch it out onto like a YouTube channel, and you have to make it fit. Now, kind of comparing what it was that day, it was actually more realistic to what the GoPro is showing. It was around 7 o'clock at night, and the sun was just going down, and we were able to see, pretty much, there was a lot of shadows, but it wasn't too much where the Runcam Orange is kind of really overdoing it, where it's too dark. GoPro though, it's pretty solid on all around. I mean, that's pretty much what you expect from a $400 camera, right? But the DJI unit, I'm telling you, it's actually pretty good, pretty decent, and I can see why people aren't using any more GoPros, or why some people are using those GoPros on their DJI rigs. It all depends on what kind of footage you want and everything else. But this is Viper FPV, and I'm out.